These are healthy chips. They're low calorie.
Oh, fuck off.
Hello and welcome to Michael.
Holy, 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 holy.
Show us your tits.
Top 5 Scariest Jumpscares. Scary Alerts. Número 1.
Muchas gracias, afición. Este para vosotros.
There's two things that solve every problem. Money and explosives. I've got an idea!
Let's go. Niggers?
Lego Star Wars video game death sound impressions, part 2!
Number 15. Shut the fuck up.
I have to do it. I have to do it. I have to do it.
Anakin, I have something important to tell you. What is it, Master? Anakin, I'm becoming a Simpson!
This is ITV News at 10 with Mark Austin and Julie Etchingham.
Good evening, paedophiles.
Hey, Mindy. Yeah? You know, prom's this weekend, and, I got no one to go with. Neither do I. Ha! That sucks. Wait, Chad! Yeah? Will you go to prom with me? Fuck off. Drop bars in the rave.
Sam!
We need this right here, I got it. Hurry up. Get some. Now!
Mom says none of my relatives...
Hey, Palpatine.
Yes, Darth Vader.
If you don't jump down there, you're gay.
Bet.
I really hate to say this. I think there's someone hanging right there.
What's up, guys? It's Quandale Dingle here.
Could that be? Bagel delivery! What? I didn't order.
And I met you in the summer.
If I could mine diamonds with an iron pickaxe, then explain this.
Slaves of the galaxy.
Oh, junk food. Yoda's favorite.
So they say it's okay to crack your fingers, but it's not okay to finger your cracks. You want to come prove them wrong?
Please, kitten. Her eyes make the stars look like they're not shining.
I'm a simp. Sniper monkey.
I seriously can't believe you did at my grandma's funeral.
I don't understand why it's such a
It's common sense!
So apparently, I was not supposed to play Clash of Clans at his grandma's funeral. How the hell was I supposed to know that?
Hey guys, it's me, Vixo123.
Enemy AC-130 above. Enemy AC-130 above! Enemy AC-130 above! Enemy AC-130 above! Enemy AC-130 above! Enemy AC-130 above!
The human anus can stretch up to 7 inches before taking damage. A raccoon can squeeze into holes as tight as 4 inches, meaning you can take almost 2 full raccoons.
In the class.
Yeah, yes I am. I'm not a child, Heidi. I'm a grown man.
Yo, Randy, you bold as shit.
We've been had.
You feed them, you raise them, you send them to school.
Lo siento, señora Jackson.
Oh, hell, goddamn, oh.
What'd you do for work then, Meg?
Oh, you've got some haters, you know.
What are they saying?
Vile things.
Like what?
Vile.
Like what?
It's me.
Brian?
Do you like chocolate?
Yes.
Am I talking to a ghost?
Yes.
Exterminate! Die! Die! Exterminate! Brave okay! Exterminate! Buddy back to the grave! Exterminate!